Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the Educators Online Sport. Today we are here to facilitate you about Summer Pack Guideline of Class 7. Material which you need to keep with you is Summer Pack. I hope you all have received your Summer Pack that is full of different flavors, activities and academic work. Content means knowledge and information that we teach, and the students are expected to learn about different subjects like English, mathematics, science, social studies and computer. Now, let's have a look on English content page. Here we have 8 serials. Number 1, reading task. Number 2, writing task. Number 3, tenses. Number 4, grammar skills. Number 5, creative writing. Number 6, speaking task. Number 7, listening task. And number 8, learning task. List of contents. Number 1, reading task. Read the paragraphs carefully from this booklet and assess yourself. Number 2, writing task. Unit number 3, London. Word sentences, forms of verb, pair of words. Number 3, tenses. By following the rules of present and past tense, you will translate the Urdu sentences into English and change the active voice sentences into passive voice. Number 4, grammar skills. Unit number 2, possessives. And unit number 4, question words. You will solve the given activities by using possessive nouns and question word. Number 5, creative writing. Very interesting topic, time machine. You can write about time machine in your own words. Number 6, speaking task. Observe the pictures and vocabulary. Take 2 minutes to think and speak about it. Number 7, listening task. Watch the video and enhance your listening skill. Number 8, learning task. Essay, a rainy day, story. It is useless to cry over spilt milk. Letter to younger brother advising him to work hard and give up bad company. To your friend requesting him or her to spend his or her spring holidays with you. So students, you will learn essay, story and these letters from your notebook. Now come to the mathematics content page. Here list of contents is given. Number 1, unit number 1 sets. Number 2, unit number 3 decimals. Number 3, unit number 4 exponents. Number 4, unit number 5 square root of a positive number. Number 5, unit number 8, algebraic expressions. List of content. Unit number 1, sets. Here you can see fill in the blanks, true and false, question answers and activity. You will solve these all things with the help of the book and activity by keeping in mind different types of set. Next, unit number 3, decimals. Solve fill in the blanks, question answers and activity by using terminating and non-terminating decimals. Unit number 4 is about exponents. By following the laws of exponent, you will solve fill in the blanks, true and false, question answers, column matching and activity. Unit number 5, square root of a positive number. Here fill in the blanks, true and false, column matching and activity is given. Unit number 8, algebraic expression. MCQs, question answer and column matching are given. It will help to understand the concept of this unit. Next subject is science. 4 units are listed in contents. Number 1, Unit number 1, Human Organ Systems. Number 2, Unit number 2, Transport Systems in Animals and Plants. Number 3, Unit number 8, Transmission of Heat. Number 4, Unit number 10, Sound Wave. Unit number 1, Human Organ System. Solve fill in the blanks, true and false, and activities about digestive and respiratory system. Unit number 2, Transport Systems in Animals and Plants. Here, fill in the blanks, activity and experiment is given. Activities related to structure of heart. You will label it, and by performing the experiment, you will come to know how air is necessary for plants to respire. Unit number 8 is about transmission of heat. All the given fill in the blanks, MCQs and activity will enhance your knowledge about the flow of heat and the method of transmission of heat. Unit number 10, Sound Waves. Fill in the blanks, MCQs, question answers and activity is given. In activity, you will draw low and high pitch of sound. Now look at the content list of social studies. It is divided into two portions. Number 1, history. Number 2, geography. History. Unit number 1, the golden age of Islam. Chapter number 1, Umayyads. Chapter number 2, Abbasids. Unit number 2, Mongols, Europe, Islam and Crusades. Chapter number 1, Mongols. And chapter number 2, Genghis Khan. Geography. Unit number 1, our planet, the Earth. Chapter number 1, Plate Tectonics. Chapter number 5, Earthquakes and other natural disasters. Unit number 2, Mapping Skills. Chapter number 1, Latitude and Longitude. Chapter number 3, Hemisphere. History. From unit number 1, the golden age of Islam, you will solve fill in the blanks, true and false, MCQs and activity of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. In unit number 2, Mongols, Europe, Islam and Crusades, you will solve fill in the blanks, true and false and activity of chapter number 1 and 2. Geography. Unit number 1, our planet the Earth. Here, fill in the blanks, true and false, MCQs and activities are given. By solving these activities, you will get information about plate tectonic boundaries, earthquakes, and natural disaster. From unit number 2, Mapping Skills, you will solve fill in the blanks, true and false, MCQs and question answers of chapter number 1 and 3. List of computer contents are given below. Number 1, Unit number 1, Calculations in Microsoft Excel 2013. Number 2, Unit number 2, Charts in Microsoft Excel 2013. Number 3, Unit number 3, Network and Security. Unit number 1, Calculations in Microsoft Excel 2013. Here, fill in the blanks, true and false, MCQs and activity is given. Activity is about description of functions about Microsoft Excel 2013. Unit number 2, Charts in Microsoft Excel 2013. You will solve fill in the blanks, true and false, MCQs, question answers and activities. And these activities are related to components of chart. Unit number 3, Network and Security. By solving fill in the blanks, true and false, question answers and activity, you will get information about computer viruses. So dear students, I hope these guidelines which we have provided will be helpful for you to solve your summer pack conveniently. Take care of yourself and goodbye.